And let's do a review of Monday's performance at the markets. And Eddie Diong Iwan joins me now for that. Good morning, Eddie.
Good morning, Bissy.
All right, so the equities market, of course, resumed trading this week on a negative note. Tell us more about that.
Well, a day after President Muhammadu Buhari ordered a lockdown of two of the country's biggest cities, and that's, of course, to curb the spread of the coronavirus, Nigerian stocks fell to a new 8-year low. As expected, the Nigerian market started the week out on a bearish note. Of course, that was also in response to sharp increases of COVID-19 cases in the country. The All-Share Index lost 2.43% to settle at 21,330.79 points, and the market cap was lower at 11.116 trillion naira, and that increased the month-to-date and year-to-date losses to minus 18.6% and minus 20.5% respectively. Total volume of trades yesterday increased by 85.7% to 466.90 billion units, while total value declined by 42.43% to 1.93 billion naira, and all of that was exchanged in 3,659 deals. Now, Mare PLC was the most traded stock by volume at 200.99 million units, while Zenith Bank was the most traded stock by value at 574.35 million naira. Market sentiment as measured by market breadth was negative yesterday as 15 stocks led by MTN Nigeria lost, while there were 11 gainers. Now, sectoral performances, as you can see, we had only 2 gainers yesterday. It was broadly negative as losses were recorded in the banking sector, in consumer goods and insurance counters. Now, for banking stocks, most of those stocks declined yesterday, including all the tier 1 lenders. If you would remember, over the week, the banking index gained, so investors are most likely just taking advantage of the, the increase in the prices and selling off to just get some profit. International breweries single-handedly dragged the consumer goods counter, while losses from Prestige and WAPIC pulled the insurance index. However, the oil and gas index gained by 1.77%, and industrial goods was marginally higher by 0.01%, BC.
We will see what direction the markets will swing later today. Now, when Business Morning returns in just a moment, we'll look at the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on the domestic commodities market. Please stay with us.